Hello everyone, Beate here and welcome to my channel. Over the last few months I've spoken a lot about fibers and fabrics. But in today's video I'm going to style the fabrics and fibers we've spoken about in previous seasons. I am going to build a capsule wardrobe that we've also spoken about before. I'll leave timestamps down below in order for you to navigate around the video. So let's go. I see style and clothing as a fun way of expressing yourself, showing to the world who you are. With regards to sustainable clothing and sustainable wardrobes, the idea is not to wear the same outfit for decades on end, but rather to incorporate the items that you have in new and different ways as you and your style develop over the years, and adding carefully selected pieces to what you already have over many seasons. If you want to build a capsule from your wardrobe, I have a few guidelines for you. One cohesive color palette is super helpful in creating more styling options with fewer pieces. My color palette is black, white, navy, grey and beige. And some of the colors have some variations to them with regards to how light and how dark they are. Even if you have a colorful, pattern-loving wardrobe, I would still recommend having a color palette. Good quality clothes and beautiful fabrics go a long way. Because you'll be styling the same items of clothing over and over again, they need to be good quality. But if you start approaching your wardrobe with a long-term view, you can start including higher quality items at a not so high price anymore if you consider your cost per wear going down if you wear items for a longer period of time. Your capsule needs to be practical for you. You have to take into consideration what the weather is like wherever you are staying, what your lifestyle is like and what activities fill your day, what you like to wear and not always what is aspirational or maybe on trend, and of course your washing routine. Your entire capsule can't revolve around one denim. Let's have a look at the pieces that I am going to be styling today. My denims include a light wash, a dark wash and a black one. The t-shirts, a black one as well as a white one. My outer layers include a vintage wool coat in a lighter jacquard, a black coat, a grey wool blazer and a lightweight beige coat. For trousers, I have a long light linen, a long black linen and a 3/4 black pant. My tops include a navy wool cardigan, a white cashmere cardigan, a grey cashmere vest for extra warmth, a grey wool sleeveless turtleneck for summery days, a camel wool sweater, a navy wool turtleneck, a pearl detail cardigan, as well as a wool and cotton grey sweater. For shirts, I have a white cotton button-up, a navy cotton blend button-up, a white cotton cut-out detail shirt. You'll see it's got beautiful details in the fabric, a black linen puff sleeve, as well as a white linen button-up. With regards to shoes, I have white sneakers, black pumps, black loafers, Birkenstocks and black booties. That brings me to a total of 30 items. In my styling, I'm not going to be making use of any change of accessories except for 2 handbags to give you kind of an idea of what you can do. But of course, when you start adding accessories, changing your hair, or maybe adding cute sunglasses or changing your nail color or anything like that, it could really amp up your game and you can have even more versatility in your wardrobe. With the pieces that I've selected, there are so many styling options and I cannot include all of them because this video will be too long. Of course, I will include plenty so you can get lots of inspiration. I will be styling it in a way that still respects my own personal style and the way that I like to wear my clothing. The idea is not for you to buy everything just like I have it here, but rather use this as a source of inspiration and play around with the clothes that you have instead of going out and buying lots of new things to build a capsule just like this one. So without further ado, let's go into what the styling options are. A lovely way that I can build on this capsule is by adding print and pattern within my color palette to this capsule. I think it can add a real extra bit of personality to it. I also want to make a few tops with a bit of flair and attitude to them that could be great in this capsule. Thank you so much for watching today, and if you have any questions, please leave them down below and I'm happy to answer them. Hope to see you soon. Bye everyone!